Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you are watching. Thank you for joining me. Welcome back to another Maintenance Monday video. Today's video is about changing the air and cabin filter on yours or your loved one's 2011 to 2019 Toyota Camry. This Camry just happens to be my mother's, so I gotta take care of it for her. Let's start with the engine and air filter first. First, open up the hood. Whoa, that is a dirty engine bay. I wonder what the filter looks like. Let's open up the airbox by pulling back on these two metal clips. Then you can pull up on the airbox and remove the air filter. And what a surprise, the air filter is just as bad, but let's compare it to a new one. For the new filter, I went with what was available at the time, but you can use any brand you like. Let's compare the two real quick. Just look at the difference between them. I don't know how long it's been, but it's long overdue. You should be changing them usually every 15 to 30,000 miles. So put in your new filter, put the top of the airbox back on, and then clip on the metal tabs. With a filter that dirty, it doesn't hurt to check the mass airflow sensor. It might need to be cleaned too. The sensor is held on by two Phillips head screws. Remove both of them. With the screws removed, pull out the sensor and look at it. This spot right here is what you want to see clean. If it's not and it looks dirty or black, disconnect it and use some MAF cleaner. Do not use any towels or brushes, just spray it off. With how clean the sensor is, that filter did its job. Since this is clean, just reattach it with the screws. Alright, engine air filter done, let's move on to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side inside the glove box, and should be changed about every 10 to 20,000 miles. Open the glove box and remove the glove box cover. Behind that cover is another cover. There's two tabs you need to press to remove this filter cover. With the filter cover removed, pull out that old and dirty filter. Now, grab your new filter. Here's the new one, and here's the one I pulled out. Talk about nasty. And you're breathing this. Let's see how bad this is. Yeah, that's pretty bad. If this doesn't make you change your filters often, I don't know what will. When you go to put in your new filter, make sure the arrow is pointing up. That shows the direction of airflow through the filter. With the new filter in, let's put back the filter cover, making sure it snaps into place, and lastly, don't forget the glove box cover. And you have successfully changed your engine and cabin filters. Now take your car for a drive, and that's it. Thanks for watching.